Welcome or welcome back to my little creative corner of the internet. And welcome to Junk Journal July of 2025. Let's dive into another episode for Monday, the 21st of July, and our theme of Wanderlust. So grab your junk journal and get creative alongside with me. I hope you find some inspiration in today's video, and let's first find the right page. And I really knew what I wanted to use for today, which is another one of my maps pages in my junk journal. So there were two prompts. I knew I wanted to use a map as my base. That was travel a while back and Wanderlust today. So I decided to start with the poem from Tolkien. All that is gold does not glitter, not all those who wander are lost. The old that is strong that does not wither, deep roots are not reached by the frost. From the ashes a fire shall be woken, a light from the shadows shall spring. Renewed shall the blade that was broken, the crownless again shall be king. Yeah, it's from The Lord of the Rings, one of my absolute favorite stories of all time. And it's just, when I hear Wanderlust or anything, I always think about not all those who wander are lost. Because I feel like that's so right, and I don't know, reaches... That quote, I don't know, reaches something inside me, which feels so right for me. I always need to travel places and get somewhere new, and can't stay in the same place for too long, in a way. So, even though it is like that, I don't feel really lost. I don't feel like I'm searching for that one place to stay, but getting places and seeing some different places is kind of the thing I'm longing for. So this quote really always reaches me, so I knew I wanted to include that in today's spread. And then here I'm flipping through the magazine to find something to use on the other side, on the coffee dyed paper, because I wanted to make it a double spread. I thought it was just a bit empty, only with the poem and the map. So here I decided on this girl, that is also one of those that I did include twice already in the journal, so it's funny that I nearly used the complete photoshoot series with this model, but I really thought her wandering in these fields in nature kind of fits the theme for the day. So we're doing a little bit of a collage to get her onto the spread. And this is another really simple and minimalistic junk journal spread, but I'm really happy with how this one turned out. And I don't know, sometimes the simplicity holds all the value. I don't know. It's just, it works out for me. And I'm happy about that. How's your junk journal July going? Are you still with me? Do you still do the prompts on a daily basis, or do you take your time? There's no need to rush it and have to do everything on the specific day. You can also take your time and only do it on the weekends or on a specific day when you've got time, and create the way it fits your life and your everyday things. And not everyone has as much time to designate it to art and creativity, but I would highly recommend to just take some time out of your day to do something for yourself. For me, creating and creativity is kind of an act of self-care in a way. So I really want to take my time each day to create something. Here I'm just adding the label for the day, and then we can also call it quits with today's spread. And it's a short but a sweet one. I'm really happy with how this spread turned out, and I'm really happy with how the challenge is coming along so far. I hope you enjoyed today's creative session and you had some fun creating alongside with me. If you enjoyed the video, a thumbs up would make me really happy, and if you want to join me on this creative adventure and many more creative adventures to come, hit the subscribe button down below. Happy creating!